Nature's energy is infinite and powerful. Wind farms stand in harmony with the environment to power our lives, but building them is a massive undertaking. To eliminate the high cost of physical trials, we created the Windfarm simulation, allowing you to plan and estimate everything virtually. Select the terrain that suits your plant location and choose from 3 turbine types to match your energy needs. You have total control to place turbines manually, or use the automatic feature for large-scale plants. The simulation handles the details from dimensions and terrain fitting to optimal spacing. Choose between data-driven modes or constant parameters using real-world wind data for pinpoint accuracy. You can fully customize wind speed, wind direction, the day-night cycle, and even nacelle rotation. Set your energy price and timeline. For example, we can run the simulation for 1 month to generate detailed statistics. Optimize layouts with real-time wind validation and granular mapping to transform deep statistical insights into maximum energy efficiency. High-end graphics and realistic lighting let you monitor individual turbine performance in real time. The final report summarizes wind conditions, construction costs, and energy yield. This allows you to calculate your return on investment and verify performance metrics instantly. Let's talk about the simulation advantages. Identify the most productive and high-yielding locations for energy generation. Optimize the total turbine capacity and layout specifically for your available land. Access transparent project cost breakdowns alongside accurate energy production forecasts. Predict potential profit and loss with precision, eliminating unnecessary financial risk. Beyond simple defect monitoring, we offer a complete simulation for large-scale wind farm planning. From small setups to industrial plants, this is your essential tool to turn vision into reality. Let's build the future of energy together. Contact us to get started.